Okay, I'm just getting out of the supermarket, looking around. Yeah, I don't know if the sun is gonna hit all the cars. They all look the same. Over here too. And oh, look at this beautiful car here. Alright. I hope this one's mine. Let's see. I'll show you the back of it too. That's it. It might be a tiny bit smaller than my other one. And here's the inside. I just picked up my prescriptions. So here's the inside. Pretty basic. I like it though. And here's the key. You hit this button and it comes out. I know they sold me a 2017. And I should ask them about the 2019, but it probably would have been an extra $1,000. But this one was brand new. I like that especially, and I like the see the little zero in the middle. That is very cool because yeah, it's got a very nice so that's it. Just has that little thing in it. It shows you when you back up. But really, when I drive, I thoroughly concentrate. I mean, especially with this car. With the other one, I was always very, very cautious driver. And a lot of people are not like that. So you have to, they call it defensive driving. So, alright, so today's Monday. I guess shipping is tomorrow. So keep us posted. And mine is next week. So, yeah, well, you gotta do what you gotta do. The doctors tell you what's wrong, and hopefully they take care of you. That's the way I go into it. So, all right, I'm gonna go. Bye.